Hi, this is Esther and this is my project for the February Christmas Stampathon 2020. Now, it's a stamps only challenge, so I decided just to stick to First Frost as much as I wanted to add more things, and I'm using Smoky Slate, Night of Navy and Seaside Spray for my colours. I've already gone ahead and set up my Stamparatus and going in with Smoky Slate to add an L-shaped design to the corner of my design. Now, because I'm going to make at least 4 of these cards, I set up the Stamparatus to do some of the stamping, and then I'm going to do some on blocks as well. I think my Night of Navy needs re-inking, and just to get a bolder impression, I go in twice with the sentiment. So I'm going in with the Seaside Spray colour and stamping and doing what's called second generation stamping. So it's difficult to pick up on the camera, but it just gives you another faded look, and I'm just offsetting that lovely twig design. Doing the same, going in with the thistles, but this time stamping it 3 times. On some scraps of paper or card, I'm using the Night of Navy to stamp the roses. So I'm not die cutting these, I'm cutting these out by hand with scissors, so doing some fussy cutting. They don't actually come with a die set. Here I am fussy cutting these out, and these just are going to help to cover those stem, at the ends of the stems that I've created with my stamping. So as you can see, scissors are fairly straight, just moving the card as I go and grouping those together to make a simple design on my page. I bring on the matching cardstock in Seaside Spray, and then I decide to see what the card will look like on other colours, using the same colours that I've used with my inks. So my last edition was on Whisper White. You too can join in with this challenge if you have got some Stampin' Up stamps. Head over to our Facebook page, Christmas Stampathon 2020. Do give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button for notifications, and do leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a fantastic day.